So I am at the Banana Grove. Well, it's actually Banana, Coffee and Comfrey Grove at the Naughty Goat Farm, and this place is amazing. It's right next to their house. It's about 34 degrees outside, and it's at least another 4 degrees, 5 degrees cooler than that under the shade sail, and in amongst all these awesome bananas and comfreys and boats and sand pits. And the bananas, they're just producing. There's fruit everywhere. Absolutely awesome.
There's a double.
There's a couple of doubles. There's that one there. So triple.
Triple?
That's a triple.
And a yellow.
And a yellow. Just the atmosphere is so great. Nice little lap pool down there. But it's amazing what can be done, and just the drop in the temperature is absolutely phenomenal.